Hello again, philosophy students. This is a quick follow-up to video lecture 1. It will be labeled 1.1. Just a couple things I forgot to mention. One is that I will occasionally be posting follow-up videos like this one. I will number them um, with the number that they are the follow-up video to. So for video 1, if I post follow-up videos to that, I will start with video lecture 1 in the label of the follow-up video, and then a decimal point, point 1, point 2 if I did a second follow-up video, etc. So all the follow-up videos to video lecture 1 would be video lecture 1.1, 1.2, etc. Follow-up videos to video lecture 2 would be video lecture 2.1, 2.2, etc. And just to be clear, you are required to watch any follow-up videos that I post. The second thing I wanted to clarify is the syllabus here and the way the schedule works, which I hope is clear, but in case it's not, I just want to make sure it's crystal clear. So over here on the left side of the schedule, you have the date that the week begins. So this is January 19th, this first week, a Monday, January 19th. The week starts on Monday. And during this week, you will read the course syllabus, watch video lecture 1 as instructed here in the syllabus, and then you will be working on your self-reflection, which is due at the end of the week on Sunday at 5 p.m. Before the next week begins. So just wanted to clarify that. So here again, the next week will start January 25th on Monday, and the reading assigned for that week is The Pain and Promise of Black Women in Philosophy. There's no video lecture assigned for next week. I'll be uploading the next video lecture 2, which is for the following week in February. But at the end of this second week that begins January 25th, you will be required to post your group's first discussion summary, which is due January 31st at 5 p.m. So I just wanted to clarify how the schedule in the syllabus works to make sure you understand that each week you are required to read what's in this second column during the week that begins with the date over here on the left, and that anything that's due during that week by the end of the week is listed on that same row. The third thing I wanted to mention is that your groups that you'll be working with to have those discussion summaries and the Ishmael portfolio at the end of the class, those groups are also intended to serve as a kind of support system for you throughout the course. So I do hope you'll be in touch with your group mates more often than just the 3 times to have your discussions, just to check in and see how they're doing. And they're a good place to start to ask questions if you have them. I've already mentioned that, but yeah, I do hope that you will connect with your group and stay in touch throughout the semester, and let me know if anything comes up with your group mates, or if you want to be assigned to a different group, or if your group isn't working, anything like that. You have to all 3 be present for each discussion in order to receive credit for the discussion. So if any person in your group is not responding or anything like that, please let me know. That's one way that I can make sure everyone is accounted for in the class, since we're so far away. That's all I wanted to add. So just a quick follow-up, and as always, let me know if you have any questions. I hope you have a great start to your spring semester.